Hello and Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to find students record in Microsoft Excel through VLookup formula. On sheet 2 I have some data, school name and the grade and session, ID, name, class, blood groups and date of birth, addresses, etc. All these things. Come to the sheet 1 and write serial number or ID, whatever, name, class, blood group, address. Okay. Highlight these cells, and this is ID. Okay, I've written serial number, no problem, change it to ID. Here you are going to write the ID, okay, and here the name. So you don't have to write the name, you just have to write the ID, and rest of the things should come from sheet 2. So how this is going to happen: equals VLookup, and we are looking at this cell which is C3. Then sheet 2, sign of exclamation, and the range is going to be from A3 down to F8. Sheet 2 A3 colon F8, and name is in the second column. Okay, so this is 2 and I want exact match, so I'm going to make this false and press enter. Okay, 2 is Simon. Yes, 2 is Simon. Now this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's copy and paste this formula. Three, blood group is in 3. This is 4th, right? 1, 2, 3, 4th. Blood group is in the 4th cell. So make this 4. Last one is the address. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th is the address. Okay, let's centralize them with some border. Student record. array. Now we have from 1 to 5. Okay, so you can go to data validation, any value, make it a list 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This array is okay. Now so I hope you like this, and it's going to be quite helpful if the number of students are in hundreds or thousands, so you can easily just click or just write the ID and you will get rest of the information. Thanks for watching.